Njoman Mtambeleke, 35, is Chief Executive Officer and co-founder of Sahara Ventures, a company founded in 2016 to build a stable innovation, technology and entrepreneurship ecosystem in Tanzania and Africa through consultancy and investment. The software engineer has been wondering how long it will take to make his country a technological hub. One of Mtambelike's goals is to help establish the first ever technological district along the new Bagamoyo Road in the country's commercial hub of Dar-es-Salaam.
If you look where the world is going right now, new forms of economies are emerging. So we are seeing technology district as an opportunity to create new employment opportunities for young people in Tanzania, but also to push the country toward the digital transformation and the digital economy at large, but also as a platform where some of the innovation can emerge to address some of the issues facing our country today in health, in education, in agriculture.
Mtambeleke said the technological infrastructure along the new Bagamoyo Road makes it the right candidate for becoming Tanzania's technological district, and the government has already put in place investments along the road. He also recalled that he visited China for 2 weeks in 2016. For him, the visit was an eye-opener.
I attended the program in Cloud City in China, and we were able to visit some of the smart cities there in China. We visited some of the offices in China that deals with production and development of software application as well as gadgets. To me, that was very inspiring.
Mtambeleke said China is leading in the world when one looks at the number of new innovations and new technologies.